Protein is very important for building and repairing tissues. It also helps in building bones and muscles.
Protein is mostly used by youngsters who work out for building muscle.
In market, protein powders are very expensive. It will cost you minimum 3000 rupees, but at home you can make your own protein shake with simple ingredients. So let's start.
Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of homemade peanut butter, 1 handful of almonds, 1 banana and 3 tablespoons of oats. And another ingredient I have taken is 1 glass of milk.